morning, a beautiful set of heifers. I'm gonna give them little goodies. Woo! Make a real set of cows here, boys and girls. You know what she is? She's the queen of the coast. F1 Braford. She'll raise bigger calves. She'll do it longer, breed back faster than any cows on this beautiful Gulf Coast. I've sent these girls to, hell, even some from Nebraska before. What a deal. Kansas, some Kansas. I've sent some to California, Arizona, New Mexico. It's a real cow. And God, aren't they gentle? Shut the front door, they're gentle. Ooh, they're not even mine. I just like the heifer so much, okay? Real set of females. They're my nephews. I'm throwing out there. They're not mine, but they're my nephews. So he buys stuff, says, sell it. I'm a good uncle. I'm a damn good uncle. Just throwing it out there. Woo! Come on back, girls. I'll get y'all some goodies. I got food over here. Woo! Come on. Come on back. I'll feed y'all. Yo, people have a deer hunting range, the high fence stuff. I got an idea for you. Buy these. Let me hook with the bull. I'll loot the heifers, which means makes them come in heat. Turn the bulls out, let them work their Angus magic, okay? And then before deer season, I'll come sell them for you. What a deal. So we're growing that grass, obviously. It's fire hazard, that stuff can turn brown and endanger your ranch and all that stuff. And so then you're ready to shoot Bambi. I'll have these cattle sold. You put the money in your pocket, cash these bad girls in. What a deal. So any, hobby ranch, a lot of people watch this are hobby ranchers. They have a job in Dallas or Houston or San Antonio or some metropolitan area, and they have a ranch in South Texas just to kill Bambi. And so while Bambi is growing, you can turn these Brafords out, deer are browsers, cows are grazers, so eat the different stuff. So you can turn these girls out, let them get big, fat, and juicy and all pregnant. We'll sell them again. What a deal. Come on, girls. Ugh, by myself. Woo! I've got the goods. I've got the goods. Come on, girls. Oh, too much feed there. Sorry. Sorry, brother. Dropped a lot of feed there. Sorry. Come on, girls. All right. Woo. Oh, yeah, a little trail there. Woo. Y'all come over here and fight over there. Come on, come on. Real set of heifers.